Hi, my name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. Saving counter space. Okay, you can have a spice rack that's on the counter. Takes up a lot of space. But here, we actually have these cute magnetic strips that hold these little canisters. We labeled them. This is great because it's right by the stove, obviously where you need them. But they do come with the hardware, so you could put them on a wall if you have extra wall space. That would be great. Another easy tip is if you have a double sink, putting the strainer for your dishes in the sink saves a lot of counter space. Or, if you have a knife blocks take up so much space on the counter. Actually, I worked with a chef once, and he said those knife blocks actually harbor a lot of bacteria, and they also dull the blades of the knife. So it's great. Actually, got this from IKEA, this little magnetic strip. Putting the knives on here, save you the counter space, help your knives, and also keeping them face down. A little feng shui tip helps to ease the aggression in the home, which is always nice. And paper towels, right? You can have the paper towels on the counter. Sometimes you have them hidden in the cabinet, but keeping them right on the wall, right by the sink, right where you need them. Super easy. I hope you found these quick tips useful. And if you have any useful tips of your own, please comment below. We'd love to hear about it. And thanks for watching. Till next time.